right, everybody, we're here at the Ramada Suites Hotel in San Diego, California. And here's an elevator. It's raining out here, as you guys can see this morning. It's a very nice looking hotel, though. All right, here's the elevator. GAL JetPlus call button. Let's go to 3. Let's get a look outside real quick. See, here we're up at the 3rd floor. There you go. It's a very nice property. I'm sure it's a lot nicer when it's sunnier as well. Probably looks nicer too. But here, get a nice look at a palm tree right there. That's what they look like in real life, up close by the palms. Very nice. All right, let's go back down on the elevator. Door operator sounds like it's seen better days. Here's your door track. Alright, go up. There's the phone. Means that door likes to close quick. Alright, go back down to 1. This is definitely a mod. Might be relay controlled. Door close button does work. There's your permit once again. Alright, that'll be it.